Hello friends, welcome back. It's been like a hot freaking minute. Why is my battery almost dead? What? Okay, let's just get the intro done. It's been a hot minute since I've done a plan with me, but we are gonna do the week of July 11th through the 17th. Mind your business that it's the end of October. We're getting there. I also don't have any fall kits, so I need to order a bunch, and I've been too busy. I'm using another kit from ScribblePrintsCo. I get the mini kit. I just think that getting the ultimate, while I love the choice of boxes, is just a waste. I would love having the extra choices. I do get the label sampler. I have before also, I think before I was planning, I would get the additional color that would come in with the ultimate kit or the mystery kits or whatever. There's so much left over and I just feel bad about it, so I just get the mini kit. Okay. This is so cute. This is pool vibes. We did kind of hit a little bit of like a not super hot, but then it got hot again. So those are the full boxes, the deco and the flicks, the glitter headers, 2 more boxes, and the boxes and the littles, an extra box, which is really good for a quote. I think I have one from Plan a Hannah. Something to do with summer. Ooh, I hope I didn't use that last year. Bottom washi and the date covers. And then I get this additional one. So I pay for this. This does not come with the mini kit. And then you get this extra tall box, which is precious. I love this. Probably going to use it. And then I am using the flamingo underlays and the pineapple underlays, both in the, I think this is called the pink tie-dye. I will double check, but you can't ask. You needed the flamingos to match, obviously, the flamingo, and then pineapples is just summer all around. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I haven't charged any of my other batteries, so I guess I will film this tomorrow, but I'm going to put the base down and then I'll come back and we'll do the day by day. Okie dokie. Base done. It's so pretty. You will hear the pitter patter of the dog incessantly. It is like 100 years later when I'm doing the base. It snowed today. And it's November 6th in the Pacific Northwest. So the dog is very excited and is just like, she thinks I can just bring the snow back, which I can't, and I wouldn't even if I could. So I just need to like get my ducks in a row here. I do have the football game on in the background, but it's very quiet, just to give the dog something in the background if she so desires. What week is this? The 11th. That's June. We are in July. Okay. All right. Got myself my boxes. And I just gotta zoom. Now the dog is just standing here panting. I really think she thinks that I can bring the snow. And I'm not gonna. The snow didn't stick. It was just funny. And maybe I'll insert a clip here. It did actually snow. It just didn't stick. There was like a crap ton of rain beforehand. Okay, so on the 11th, Bree was home. We went on 2 walks. We ran into Kuma, who is one of our neighbors. That's their dog. The owners, we know their names because I was on council with her husband. Oh, I did this out of order. Okay, so I had a YouTube binge while I was working, but I didn't mark that. I did 2 video outlines, and we had dinner in the park. Oh yeah, and Jen Shaw pled guilty. If you watch The Real Housewives of Salt Lake City, she's been proclaiming her innocence and recently pled guilty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cricket, whatever. Hi Bree, what are you doing? And then for Jen Shaw pleading guilty, I think we're going to use a big box. And then I will use a little thing. Okay, now the running group chat is lit. We'll put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Okie dokie. And then what did I say? Oh yeah, family time in the park and outlines. Okay, I gotta take a photo of this. Not of me because I look horrendous. The dog is literally sitting guarding me. Okay, so 2 video outlines and park time. Okie dokie. So walking the dog, I have this little paw print from Flood-A-Versary. And a walk dog script, also from Flood-A-Versary. For Jen Shaw, pleading guilty, I just have this little munchkin kind of like sitting outside, reading a book. I think I was sitting on the patio reading my phone when that alert came through. I have this little dog for marking Kuma. That is also from Flood-A-Versary. 2 work outlines is there. I didn't pull a work script. I don't know what that was about. And then for park time, we like made dinner, brought it to the park, and had ourselves a little picnic. Family time script is also Flood-A-Versary, and it's just in black, and I don't remember which font that is. Okay. Also, apologies if you can hear the heat. Obviously, it's 0 degrees outside. The heat is on. Okie dokie. So, I had a physio appointment this day. I filmed 2 videos. Oh, I think I filmed 3 videos. Wow, look at me go. I went for a walk and I got Starbucks. Is that all? Oh, and laundry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So physio, I'm going to use a little thing. Oh, and because it is Sunday and football is on in the background, I have officially been knocked out. So all of my teams are out. This is my team that went into the chump pool first time, so that kind of sucks, but whatever. With the way this season has gone, I'm surprised I made it this far. Okay, so I've got that to mark filming, and then Starbucksy. We'll go on a little thing. Maybe I'll put walk first. Maybe I'll put walk here. And I might do some layering down here. Do. What did I just do? Okay, so I want it to be over here. You can't even see that. So I'm going to use that to mark Starbucks. And then laundry. I have space, so let's use a big box. Ooh, or a flag. Hey, what happened to my little pink boxes I pulled out? Alright. I don't know what that was about. Okay, so for physio, I have my little munchkin from Once More with Love and an appointment script. My hands are so shaky today, I don't know why. Appointment script from Murdoch Talks. Filming, I have this icon from Murdoch Talks. and a film script from Flood-A-Versary. And then for the walk, I have another one of these circular icons from Murdoch Talks. And a walk script from Flood-A-Versary. Starbucks, I have this pink cup, which I think is from Planner Kate. And a Starbucks script from Murdoch Talks. And then a laundry icon from Murdoch Talks, and same with the laundry script. Okie dokie. Oh, July 13th, happy Flood-A-Versary. Love that for us. Okay, so I did a little cleaning. I marked this way out of order. I also did this like 2 months ago. So this was the Flood-A-Versary. I went for a walk. I made cottage cheese, pancakes, and I baked cookies. I edited and uploaded. Continued the laundry. I'm not going to mark that again. Oh wait, am I going to mark that again? I'm going to mark it if it fits. I don't think it's going to fit. And I had a YouTube binge while working, and we watched The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Flood-A-Versary definitely has to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'd probably do 7. It's a lot of little things. All right, Flood-A-Versary. Hi, Bree, welcome back. And a walk. Baking. Will that fit? No, it will not. Okay. Maybe I'll use the yellow. So our team doesn't play this week, but do watch football. Oh, I think my battery's gonna die. We cheer for the San Francisco 49ers, while everybody else in Vancouver that watches the NFL cheers for Seattle. So the balloon and this icon are Murdoch Talks. So I'm just gonna put Flood-A-Versary there. And then I have a walk script in black from Flood-A-Versary. And then for baking, I have this little girl from Planner Kate. Almost ripped the shit out of that. Bake shit script from Flood-A-Versary. And then for the cottage cheese pancakes, I have another one of these icons from Murdoch Talks. Okay. So then I can do YouTube binge, editing, Real Housewives. Or okay, so that's going to be editing. That's going to be a YouTube binge. Laundry, that's pretty big. Okay, so I'll do clean and Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. I went with the pink. So yeah, we are 49ers fans, and we are on a bye this week. So it's really just been like a non-stressful kind of week. Not having to worry about our team getting injured. We get a much needed break. Unfortunately, I mean, Seattle was playing Arizona. We really wanted Arizona to win because Arizona sucks, and Seattle is supposed to suck, but they don't suck, and they're currently at the top of the division, so that sucks. So we really could have used Arizona winning. When we want Arizona to win, they don't win. That's just the nature of the game. To be fair, the 49ers do it to friends of ours that are Arizona fans. So, you know, I guess what goes around comes around. But there's the first half. The icon for this little movie clapper and the edit script are Planahana. This play button is Planahana. The clean and the icon are these two icons, and the clean are Murdoch Talks. Okay, I'm gonna go change my battery and I'll BRB. Okie dokie. Second half. I got a dog still over here staring at me. She's trying to get my attention. Okay, so on the Thursday, a friend got his Canadian citizenship. I had a physio appointment that afternoon. I did have a lazy morning because I had a headache. Cleaned up my emails. I went for a walk with Christina, and then we went to Mahoney and Sons to celebrate Alfonso's citizenship. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could think I want like a special box for that. Except my office is a disaster, so I don't know how this is going to go. Okay, I don't have any like hollow boxes, but I do have silver. And this one's hollow, and it's like a little floral, so that's like special. These are from the Pretty Pink Co. Oh, I have a Shiza. Come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. Okay, I'll have to use that at some other point. Darn. Shiza, shiza, shiza. Okay, let's just use a plain. I just want something that stands out. This was pretty special. All right, so we've got this for Alfonso getting his Canadian citizenship. Okay, my headache can go on a little thing. Appointment there, and then cleaning up my emails. I'm gonna have to shimmy these. Sticking up the foil. This makes me so sad. Okay, there's that. Do. Okay, so that is citizenship, headache, physio appointment, cleaning up my emails, and then I've got a walk. Or guess I'm just going to flip these around. This is going to be for dinner, and this is going to be for the walk. I'm all over the place. You'd think I'd never filmed a day in my life. That is from Murdoch Talks. That is there. That is my little RMT Physio Munchkin from Once More with Love, and an appointment script from Murdoch Talks, and then my little headache munchkin, and cleaning up my emails. I think that might be like old SPC. Okay, and then group dinner. I have these little clinking glasses from Murdoch Talks, this shoe from Murdoch Talks, and a walk script from Planahana. Okie dokie, where are we here? Friday. So I did get up and I went on a 5K. Sorry, it's a Robbie 5K, actually 6-kilometer run. We do them at 6:30 in the mornings on Friday. We're still doing that even though today is the official time change. So I went for an early run, and then I walked downtown to a friend's house and hung out with her and another friend and our friend's new baby. I did have to stop at Nestor's on the way home to grab something for Jason. And now I had like a long stretch session and a shower. And we binged Seinfeld. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think I'm gonna mark the run. that. This down here for hanging with the besties. And then I need a little thing. I need a pattern. Use this for my walk. Naturally, it started to rain the second I walked out of the house. And then I had to stop at Nestor's on the way home. I did get a lot of steps this day, so that was kind of good. Okay, for the walk, and then I had a very big stretch session just to like, because I didn't really stretch after my run. I had like some work things to do, and then I had to get ready and go. And then our Seinfeld binge can go right there. Okie dokie. So for the early morning run, I have my little munchkin from Once More with Love. Oh, is this one I was trying to get back into running. I had no drive. I didn't want to do it. Shoe is not Once More with Love. Shoe is Murdoch Talks. And a walk script from Flood-A-Versary. And then I have these little clinking glasses from Murdoch Talks. And then I have a with BFF script, an old one from ScribblePrintsCo. There's a little shopping bag also from Murdoch Talks. And a shopping script from Murdoch Talks as well, to mark me like stretching on the floor for like an hour. I have this munchkin from Once More with Love, and then I have this little TV in Hollow from Flood-A-Versary. Okay, excuse me. Saturday I went to go cheer on some friends running the Summerfast 10K. And then we did brunch with the fam for our anniversary. Oh, I got Starbucks before that because I was already downtown. Jason didn't come with me. I was downtown, so I walked. Excuse me. To the brunch place, got a Starbucks on the way. It was raining like a mofo, and it came out of nowhere, and it just wouldn't stop. Jason had hockey. We ordered pizza, and I binged McMillions. I know it was gonna make me really angry, so I didn't want to watch it. And then I was just bored, and I was like, I have to watch this now. So that's what I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Summer Fast 10K. Actually, I'm going to make Starbucks next. Little Starbies. that for brunch. And then this for Please Stop Raining. Like it was, we were on the patio, the covered part of the patio, and it just poured and it was hitting our table and we were covered. Welcome to, back to, but I guess this was spring for us even though it was summer. Okay, what else do I have? Hockey, pizza, and McMillions. Okay, so let's put this down at the bottom. And then and for Jason having hockey, use that. Okay, so very all over the map today. That is from the Planner Monkey Co. to mark the Summerfest 10K. The little clinky glasses are Murdoch Talks and With Fam in Hollow from SPC. A little coffee munchkin from What's More With Love. And a Starbucks run script in silver from SPC. And I have this little umbrella munchkin from Once More With Love and a Please Stop Raining script from Planahana. I'm gonna have to order these during her Black Friday sale. Hey, why didn't I pull a hockey script? That was dumb. Or a hockey icon. I feel like I still have them. Anyways, I'll find something after. And then, so that is from Planahana, and so is this little hollow pizza. And same with the TV to mark McMillions. Okay. Sunday, I went to Run Club. Jason came with. So then we did coffee and croissant. Oh, and I have these, I have Carly plans, but I forgot to pull. I have little croissants now. I kind of want to change them. Then I had a bubble bath. Jason got groceries. We did meal prep and camping prep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so run, I'm gonna put in this box. No, Bray, I don't know what that sound was. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark Jason getting groceries next. I love this spread. This spread is so cute. And then my bubble bath. So my bubble bath will go there. Actually, That'll be for camping prep. And then for regular meal prep, I'm gonna have to cut this. I got scissors over here. Okay, got my little running munchkin, and a run script from Planet Hannah in Hollow. This is from Simply a Mess. And this is another icon from Murdoch Talks. And a grocery script from Planet Hannah. I feel like I'm literally about to rip these stickers to shreds. Grocery script from Flood-A Hannah. And then there we go. For my bubble bath, I have that from Simply a Mess. I have this little lunch bag. And then I have this little grocery bag. And that might be Murdoch Talks or like SPC. I think it's Murdoch Talks. And I have a bath time script. I'm gonna cut it. So funny story. It was like, I don't know, 10 minutes before I started filming this. Jason had just left for hockey. I was like, man, I should make a tea. Because I always make like a chamomile tea before I go to bed. And then I looked at my watch and it was 7 o'clock. Gotta love that time change. Okay, there's the second half. I'm gonna go fill this out and I will BRB. All the shops that I used will be linked below. If you like this